Hey there, future Forex gurus. Ever dreamed of turning your savings into a money-making machine? Forex trading might be your ticket to financial freedom. Imagine this, you at home making smart trades and watching your money grow. Millions of people trade currencies every day, aiming to profit from the ever-changing exchange rates. With the right knowledge and a bit of practice, anyone can learn to trade Forex. Let's dive in. Okay, let's break down Forex trading in simple terms. Imagine you're going on vacation to Europe. You exchange your US dollars for euros, right? That's a basic currency exchange transaction. Forex trading is similar, but instead of planning a trip, you're aiming to profit from the fluctuating values of currencies. In Forex, you buy one currency and simultaneously sell another. The goal, to buy low and sell high. Let's say you think the euro, EUR, will rise against the US dollar, USD. You would buy the EUR-USD currency pair. If your prediction is correct and the euro strengthens, you sell the pair at a higher price, making a profit. Your job is to analyze these movements and make smart trading decisions based on your predictions. Ready to dip your toes into the Forex market? Here's a beginner-friendly guide to placing your first trade. Step 1. Choose a reputable Forex broker. They execute your trades and provide a platform to access market data. Step 2. Open a demo account. Practice with a demo account to get comfortable with the trading platform and test different strategies without any financial risk. Step 3. Fund your account. Once you're ready to trade with real money, fund your account. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Step 4. Analyze the market. Use technical and fundamental analysis tools to identify potential trading opportunities. Step 5. Place your trade. Choose your order type, buy or sell. Set your position size and determine your risk management parameters, stop loss and take profit level. Step 6. Monitor and manage your trade. Keep a close eye on your position, monitor market movements, and adjust your stop loss or take profit levels if needed. This is what a typical Forex trading platform looks like. Don't be intimidated by all the numbers and graphs. With a little practice, you'll be navigating this like a pro in no time. Navigating the Forex market can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, you don't have to go at it alone. Here are some essential tools and resources for beginner traders. Stay updated on major economic events that can impact currency values. Keep your finger on the pulse of the Forex market with reputable news websites and blogs. Charts are your best friend in Forex trading. Connect with fellow traders, share experiences, and learn from each other. Knowledge is power in Forex trading. Invest in your education by exploring online courses, webinars, and ebooks designed specifically for beginners. These tools will be your trusty companions on your Forex journey. Use them wisely, and they'll empower you to make informed trading decisions. Even seasoned Forex traders make mistakes, especially when starting. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid. It's tempting to jump into multiple trades, hoping to strike it rich quickly. Resist the urge, focus on quality over quantity. Never trade without a safety net. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to secure your profits. A losing trade triggers emotions and you're tempted to chase your losses. Don't. Stick to your trading plan. Define your goals, risk tolerance, preferred trading style, and strategies before placing any trades. The Forex market is dynamic and constantly evolving. Commit to continuous learning by staying updated on market trends, exploring new strategies, and refining your skills. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful Forex trader. Congratulations, you've taken the first steps toward mastering the exciting world of Forex trading. Remember, this is a journey, not a sprint. Embrace the learning process, stay disciplined, and don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way. Forex trading offers incredible potential for financial growth, but it requires dedication, patience, and continuous learning. By mastering the fundamentals, utilizing the right tools, and avoiding common pitfalls, you can unlock the door to financial freedom and achieve your financial goals. So stay focused, stay motivated, and never stop learning. The world of Forex awaits. Start your Forex journey today and unlock your full potential.